Upper screws.
Open the hood and remove the 2 marked screws next to the headlight.
Screws under the grille.
To do this, you must first remove the grille in the middle of the bumper. The grille is attached to the bumper with hooks. Push the hooks apart and pull the grille outwards. This is not easy and requires some patience. After the grille is out, you can remove the 2 screws underneath.
Screw and guide to the fender.
The bumper is mounted on the side of the fender using a guide rail. It is best to remove the front part of the wheel arch liner. To do this, simply remove all expanding rivets, nuts and screws that attach the wheel arch liner. I'm on a lift, but the removal should be easy to do using a jack. After the wheel arch liner has been removed, remove the screw at the rear end of the guide. Then press the guide rail inwards at the back and then push it forward. It may be that the rail has some problems releasing due to rust and dirt.
Unplug electronics.
The fog lights are easy to reach through the removed wheel arch liner and can therefore be unplugged. The outside temperature sensor is in the middle. Also unplug. The central connector for the parking sensors is still on the left side. Pry out the fuse and disconnect the plug. Now the bumper can be removed. The bumper is still hooked into the fender on the side. So pull the fender outwards a little.
Changing the parking sensors.
To replace the sensors, loosen the decorative strip on the outside and then pull it outwards as a whole. The bar is hooked on the outside and pushed in the middle. The strips can also be removed with the bumper installed. Of course, it's easier when it's dismantled because you can free the hooks from the inside more easily and the possibility of damage to the paintwork is therefore reduced. Then push the sensor holders apart a little, take the sensors out and unplug them.
Fog lights.
Replacing the fog lights is easily possible with the bumper installed, as long as you have removed the front part of the wheel arch liner beforehand. To do this, simply remove the 2 screws on the bottom. If you only want to replace the bulb, remove it from the fog light by turning it. That's it again. Good luck doing it yourself.